have seen the fold, the flip, the flap, the pie, and the pop. It is time to wing it. Yes, wing it. Swivel it, they say. Dual primary and secondary screens, super smart, multifunction, outdoor friendly, utility device for creators and the creatives. Two faces, one on top of the other. A shape-shifting master of objects, gamer's heaven, multitasking, king of duality. But to many others, a complete ridiculous design nobody would want. It's the brand new jaw-dropping, eye-popping LG Wing. Just when you thought you've seen it all, it is just getting started. Let's look at this new swiveling contraption and have our and what moment. We will explore the specific use cases for which the LG Wing is perfect for, or at least appeals to. It's your public tech advisor on update. Let's get you up to date. So, who is this for? At first, I didn't get it either. First came the tweet teasing its arrival. 2 weeks later, it launched. We've seen the live stream, the unboxing, and the marketing videos. And I was like, LG, I think you have a point here. A weird design, and in my head, I was like, who would want this? Yes, everyone should carry their own cross, of course, but not like swivel it, like this and like that and like what and I. Get it now. It is a use case thing. If it doesn't fit yours, you won't see the value in it. Okay, now for the features. With a 6.8-inch POLED primary swivelable or swivelable or swivelable, damn, English is hard, swiveling screen, 3.9-inch GOLED secondary display underneath, Snapdragon 765G processor, meaning it is 5G, 8GB RAM, 128GB and 256GB storage, 4000 mAh battery with triple main camera, a 64 megapixel, 13 megapixel and 12 megapixel lenses, a pop-up 32 megapixel selfie camera with the just announced price in the region of $940, available in all LG markets, portrait to landscape and swivel back. The swivel mechanism is unique and interesting. The engineering that went into it is applaudable. It rolls in an arc-like path that locks at one end, spring-loaded to give it that extra boost, but with the smallest shock absorber ever, called the hydraulic damper, that cushions the snap and go effect. So it ends up giving you that satisfying movement, like LG said it's been tested 200,000 times to ensure it stands the test of time. It is specifically designed and built with multitasking in mind. 2 apps running side by side, Twitter and Chrome, YouTube and media control, video editing, grip lock and more. Enter into the world of the gamers. If you are a gamer, this phone is for you. I do sometimes game, so it's something I would use. When I play Call of Duty Mobile, I could use the extra control and balanced weight that the form factor seem to give. And if I'm into streaming, I could use the secondary screen for that with ease. A bunch of hypotheticals. For a real scenario, here is a shot of a review from Born at Work channel. See how it works. Link in the description. YouTube and the rise of TikTok-like video platforms has created a group of new kinds of smartphone users, which the LG Wing is engineered to appeal to, the video creators. With the dual recording, tracking, gimbal mode and more. By more, I mean 4K recording, AI mode, ASMR recording. ASMR? What's that? I'm just getting to know too. Read.
The right voice, the right tones, obviously they're also using really good audio.
Yeah, right.
Why? What is this thing?
Okay, so ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. And basically, it refers to the feelings of euphoria and tingleness that people get, especially in response to sensory stimuli. The most common ones from research studies are whispering and crisp sounds, as you saw in that video, so the fingernails. And the reason why people think that it helps them is because it tends to promote this relaxation sort of quality, and some people will say they've felt better not only while they're listening to those videos, but up to hours afterwards, 80% of people will say that they increase their mood.
I kind of want to watch it again. Does anyone else?
Yeah.
Clearly, this could all be placebo effect. And
That's it down.
That's the stuff.
No, you do it to Dr. Chad.
Okay.
let's do some TV. Ooh.
Did you guys get some tingliness?
Yeah.
I did.
And
I
the
did.
tapping.
Oh well. Voice bokeh, voice depth control, 2x zoom bokeh, 2x crop zoom, slow motion, time-lapse control, and more. The list is long. It's an awesome device for all kinds of video content capture. Take a look.
When you move the joystick left, right, up, down, the camera screen moves in the corresponding directions. You can execute your desired function directly from the controller without even having to touch the main display.
I would definitely use the LG Wing for my videos. You will think it's only made for photos and videos, but no. If you are driving, navigating with maps, the LG Wing serves that scenario too in more than a suitable way. It fits well on the dashboard mount. I see this being useful to Uber drivers and the likes, delivery services and all. So you might be asking, what if I dropped it on a hard concrete or water? LG has provided some assurance. The Wing has passed the military standard testing for devices called MIL-STD-10G certification. They call it soldier strong, durable enough to handle sudden drops, extreme temperatures, shock and vibrations. Jerry Rig must be rubbing his hands in anticipation. This is all part of the LG Explorer project, taking big risks, exploring and building new things. In the end, you might be thinking it is crazy, a misfit, rebellious to the standard, a touch of the troublemaker, the round peg in the square hole. But what it really is seeing things differently, not bound by the rules, no respect for the status quo. And quoting Steve Jobs, you can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them. But the only thing you can't do is ignore them, because they change things. They push the human race forward. While some may see them as the crazy ones, we see genius. Because the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria.